Hello investors, welcome to EPSMomentum and welcome to today's one stock in 1 minute. Today we will be reviewing Tesla. On Tesla chart, we can see that the earning momentum for this quarter is 24, which is a very good sign for the stock. Also, the earning momentum for the last 6 quarters is positive, and for the last 3 quarters, earning momentum stayed above 20, which is a very good sign for the stock. The timing momentum is negative -4.1, the timing bias is positive 1.5, and the market score is positive 3. Now as we look into signals, we can see that the timing momentum and timing momentum score is giving us red signal, but other filters are giving us green signal. On the matrix tab, sales increased from 6,036 to 11,958, which is a big increase of 98% and an acceleration of 24.53%. On EPS, we can see that the EPS increased from 0.44 to a 1.45, which is a big increase of 230%. And the acceleration is negative 42.45%. On post-earning announcement drift, we are on drift B. On the drift, as we are in the very initial stage of the quarter, current stock price is 687, and there is a potential that the stock may reach to a max average of 1294, and the average price for this drift is 835. So as the quarter goes on, we can expect that the price of Tesla stock may reach to 835 to a max average of 1294. On the revision tab, we can see that our revision score got a 18% boost from last week. As you can see on the chart, revision got a big boost from last week, which is a very good sign for the stock. So that's it for today, guys. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. Please visit us at EPSMomentum.com. You can sign up for free.